For all of you ladies hitting the town this weekend, listen up. A study in the UK found that women's perception of beauty could differ from men's, and maybe we've been overdoing it in the makeup department. Researchers gave 44 women an assortment of makeup and told them to apply it as if they were about to go out. The women were asked to pose for before and after shots. Then, researchers showed the women in a series of 21 photos, all with different amounts of makeup on. They showed them to 44 Bangor University students, and the subjects were asked to pick 3 photos. The one they personally thought was most attractive, the one they thought most women would view as most attractive, and the one they thought most men would see as most attractive. But that wasn't the case. It turns out the female participants thought the models looked better with more makeup than the male participants preferred. And get this.
Both sexes thought that men would go up for the more made-up faces.
None of the observers chose the photo with the model wearing her completed face of makeup. So, the overall conclusion from this study? These results suggest that women are likely wearing cosmetics to appeal to the mistaken preferences of others. But ladies, before you toss your makeup to the curb, there are some interesting points to be made. Glamour notes that the women applied the makeup themselves, and some might have not been experienced. And The Atlantic brings up another important point. The judging took place in Bangor, a tiny hamlet in Wales where beauty standards are probably different than they are in Beijing or Berlin or Baton Rouge. This study was published in the Quarterly Journal of Experimental Psychology. For Newsy, I'm Rebecca Dunn.